Alright, good to go. This is the first time we've hooked this up to air. It's a Dotco handheld belt sander.
It's made by Cooper. It's a pretty nice unit. Looks like it's going to move pretty freely. We only have a small compressor that we've hooked it up to. It says here 12,000 RPM at 2300 SFPM. So, I don't know. That looks pretty quick to me. Very quiet. I'd be hard pressed to say how many RPM that is. I don't know which. But that's pretty quick, and that's about all our compressor is going to take. As you can hear, it's winding down. And garden flange is there. It's supposed to always be pointed down, but it's got the safety handle. Very responsive. Nice item. Good luck. Thanks for looking at our products.